Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Google Docs a PDF. So that's mean uh how to change the Google Docs file into PDFs. And as you guys can see here, I've already on the docs.google.com and I'm going to open a file. So for example, I want to save or download this Google Docs file into a PDF. So what you need to do is you can just click on file at the top toolbar and find download, and here at the drop down you'll find PDF document. Just click on that and your Google Docs file will be automatically download as PDF, and I'm going to open it. Okay, so yep, this is PDF, and that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is how you can make a Google Docs into a PDF. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.